Hello. Today we will be talking about how to access activities on Microsoft Teams. To begin doing so, you must download the app or go to the online version of Microsoft Teams and sign in. Once it loads, you'll be prompted to the landing page, which is filled with conversations that you and your team members have already created. Like mentioned before, we will be focusing in on activity, which you can locate in the top left icon with the bell. When you hit that bell, the first thing you're going to see is the feed. So you will see mentions, replies, and other notifications that happen in the conversation here. Another feature is My Activity. So when you click on My Activity, you will see your messages sent out. For example, I prompted a message here and here. And when I prompt another message, and refresh the page, your message will show up again. Overall, that's how you access your activity on Microsoft Teams.